again for another live, and today we're super excited. We are launching our autumn mini mag. Exciting times. I've got Anuja, Steph and Sarah here with me today. I'll just pop these little mags down. And here comes our gorgeous Sarah first up. Hopefully you've all got one of our mini mags in your post already.
Yeah, they should have been hitting our mailboxes from last week, so
Sarah's wearing a beautiful boho dress. It's called the swinging something? Dancing?
swishing my cares away.
Did you hear that, girls? Swishing my cares away. So that's what she's doing here, and I love it. What a great dress on you, Sarah.
Have a look at the details, girls. So there's nice little ruffles here. There's a few going down, some little tears, one around the collar.
The sleeves aren't too long, which is good, yeah.
Nice in the sleeve too. Really comfy.
It's a little bit longer in the back, but it's not too high-low, so it's just a slightly bit longer there. Yeah.
Sorry guys, Instagram has only just joined us now, so hello to everyone on Instagram.
Instagram, we're launching our mini mag. Here you go. So hopefully you've all got one. Now we've got Sarah here in the
Swishing my cares away.
Swishing my cares away from Boho Bird, girls.
I'll just do another close-up for the Instagram, girls.
Awesome.
Again, have a look at the little ruffle details all the way down and around the collar. And nice stretch in the sleeve.
I think that might end up in your wardrobe, Sarah. What do you think?
This one has definitely been on my wish list and I have been waiting for it to arrive. I am in love with this one.
Gorgeous. So, great colours, a nice deep green with those real autumny colours in there. Beautiful.
And there's plenty of room right through, so
size 20 there?
Yeah. I'm in my size 20, so I'm a normal size and really comfy.
Excellent.
Alright.
Thanks, Sarah. Here comes Steph. Steph's wearing another one of the pieces that are in our mini mag. So hopefully if you've got your mini mag at home, you can get it out and have a little look at what she's wearing.
Yeah, absolutely. So I've actually got on Ebb and Ive, which is one of our supplier brands. So I've got the Muse dress on, which has a nice 3/4 sleeve, and then the Getaway cardigan, which has the beautiful detail on the leopard print. Super, super comfortable.
Gorgeous.
It almost feels like a bamboo, but it's just a rayon blend, but
Got a
super comfy.
tie on the cardi, which Steph's tied at the back.
Yep.
And a nice shawl collar, girls. So beautiful. You could tie that up as well and make it look a little bit more formal, which is
like
great. Yeah.
Yeah. And then nice little cardigan.
Nice little ankle boot. Steph, do you want to show them the dress without the cardigan on?
Absolutely.
Because I know you were loving that dress.
I was, and it's super comfortable. So great little number.
Gorgeous colours in this. Oh, hang on.
I'm caught.
There you go. Good.
Beautiful. So yeah, here we go. We've got a 3/4 sleeve, so I've just pulled these up. Then pocket. Who doesn't love a pocket? And then I've just got it on with a little ankle boot. But you can
Love
wear it
that
with
dress.
with the sneaker, anything
And you could
like
even
that.
belt this one
Yeah, absolutely.
quite easily. Beautiful.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you
Great
much,
dress.
Lee.
Thanks, Steph. Stop to get another look on. Here comes our gorgeous Anuja. Now, Anuja is one of our IT birds, and she is wearing Moonlight Bird, which is our evening brand, and it's the Keeley jumpsuit. Now, I have not seen this jumpsuit on anyone, but it doesn't look good. We did have a bit of trouble getting it on, didn't we, Anuja? So jumpsuits are hard to get on, girls. You've sometimes you end up with your arms, your legs in the arms, but we got there in the end. So it's beautiful. We'll just move Anuja's head off one shoulder, and it's got this gorgeous overlay, this printed overlay, and it's a beautiful jersey. Anuja, take a walk and let them have a look. We'll spin around. So again, girls, it fits beautifully across the back here. It's got a little seam down here, and it fits nicely into the back here. You can wear a good strapless bra with this, or you can wear a normal bra, and all Anuja's done is tucked the strap into the bra. But so flattering, beautiful.
Beautiful.
How do you feel in that?
Oh, it's just amazing. I feel very confident.
Do you think you can dance in that, Anuja?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So I'm wearing a size S in this jumpsuit, and I'm 163 centimeters tall.
So that's an 8. She's wearing an 8. So she's our tiny little IT bird. So she's going to go and pop another look out for us now. Thank you, Anuja.
Thank you.
Okay. Yep.
We are having a couple issues on our Instagram live, so we will be posting it later on, just letting everyone know that.
Sorry, Instagrammers. We will get it on there for you later. Before Sarah comes back, I will let you know what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a Bird by Design. It's the Rita dress, which you all know about. The Rita dress has the dress underneath and the overlay over the top. This is in a printed fabric this time, and it's in the longer length, so it covers my knees, my old knees. So loving the Rita dress. Very easy, very comfy, fantastic work outfit if you want to, or day parties, weddings, anything night out as well. So the print is something a little bit different for our Rita, and everybody loves it. It's got a little longer sleeve as well, so perfect for this time of year in winter. Here comes Sarah again in one of our bellbird numbers. What a beautiful colour on Sarah.
It's beautiful, this one.
Gorgeous.
Have a look at the print up close.
And the sleeves are beautiful. And again, one of those most flattering styles with the crossover at the front here.
Sorry.
Beautiful. The tie, this tie comes off and it's got this little extra ruffle at the bottom.
It does.
Beautiful.
Yeah. It's also a longer length too, so you can pull your sleeves down. I think I get a little bit claustrophobic with sleeves.
Yeah,
I'm
the same.
always,
I like
I push
three-quarter.
them up.
Yeah.
So, but it's beautiful. There's lots of room in here for our bigger bust girls too, so it's not a worry there.
And are you wearing your normal size?
I am, so I'm in the 20 in this one, and I'm 170 centimetres tall.
Okay, and I will add, I'm wearing a size 12 in the Rita dress because I like it to not be too clingy, and I'm 167 centimetres tall.
Thank you.
Thanks, Steph. Here comes Steph again, and she is now in our Playful brand handpicked. Again, girls, all of these items are in the mini mag, so we're very excited to showcase these for you today.
Absolutely, I love this skirt. It's actually called the calf length full skirt. So you've got loads of fabric here that you can see. Popped it on with, it's a really lovely knit top as well here. So it's not too hot, but it will keep you nice and cozy, especially in those cooler months.
Love it with the long boots. Great styling.
I love these boots. So these actually just dropped. They're Felmini, and I think I might need them. I think I might need them. They're actually really comfortable, even though they do have a stacked heel, so they're nice and sturdy. But yeah.
So girls, this skirt, even though we say it's our Playful brand, can also be toned down. You could put a navy blazer with that, wear it to work, wear it to the office. It's a great skirt to dress up or down, be playful or be quite serious in.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Beautiful in these colours.
I love it. Yeah, autumn colours are one of my favourites, and I'm also wearing a size 10, and I'm 172 centimetres tall. So yeah,
Thanks,
awesome.
Steph.
Fine.
All right, who have we got ready now? We've got Anuja back, and she has got another one of our fantastic. This is a TBL dress, absolutely beautiful. Prints are exclusive to Birdsnest girls, so they are designed here. The patterns are designed here as well by our girls, Larissa and Hannah. And then they are created into these beautiful pieces that you can only buy at Birdsnest. This is that bird label, and we shorten it to TBL. It's on the cover of our mini mag, which you will see with Steph at the moment, soon. And Anuja is wearing the little shift dress. I'm not quite sure what it's called, but she's got pockets and a great length, perfect for Anuja. It's the Katie shift dress. Sorry, I tried to memorise them all, but I couldn't. Anuja, you look beautiful in that. How do you feel in all those colours? Doesn't she look great in colour, girls?
Nice
Beautiful.
summary. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really beautiful.
So it's a good trans-seasonal piece. It's lined.
And the pockets.
Yeah, and it's got a long sleeve, but it's got elastic, so you can actually pull that up.
Yeah.
Just take another little walk. It's got a little feature at the back here when Anuja turns around. It's got a little zipper, so if you find it hard to get on, you can put that on. But I think you pulled that straight up over your head, didn't you?
Yeah.
Beautiful colours. I think the girls have really nailed the colours with TBL this time. They've gone for that really autumny tone, but with the pink, soft pinks in it as well. Beautiful. Thanks, Anuja.
Thank you.
And here comes our Sarah again. Sarah is wearing a bird keeper's number this time.
I did just look at the name and I have completely forgotten.
Not me to have a little look, but I haven't got my glasses on, so I can't promise anything, girls.
It is Bird Keepers.
It is called
The
wrap
Front midi
front midi dress. Yeah, the writing's
We'll
really
get there.
small.
$99.95.
It's
Oh,
$99.95, under $100. Yeah,
Right.
fantastic. Great colours again. I think the girls have nailed that autumn tone, haven't they, Sarah?
They have, it's absolutely beautiful. I have to say, this is one that did catch my eye. I really love all the autumn colours in it.
Yeah.
Really comfy too. It's got elastic waist, girls, so nice
And
there.
that fake wrap.
And it's got the fake wrap. Now I have sized up in this one, so I've gone to the 22 only because the girls were trying to jump out and say hello in the 20. So I've gone up to the 22 just for the bust area, but me personally, I would probably wear it undone and just remove the
So
little.
there's a little press stud there, girls, and sometimes it depends what body shape you are as to where that press stud sits. So we have felt that Sarah would undo this and just leave it. There's plenty of fabric there to cover, or if you wanted to, you could just move the press stud down or take it off completely. So we just want you to know that that is there, and it doesn't mean you have to do it up there, okay?
And it's also got a cute little split in the side.
Yeah, I like it.
Nice little length.
That's a great little work number.
It is. I
Wear
like
it to
this
the
one.
office, put a little blazer on, look great with a blazer.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Bye guys.
Thanks, Sarah. Okay, now we've got the famous front cover. Hang on. Here we go. Here it is, front cover option.
Please
And
don't compare me to the model.
Wow, well, look what good Steph's looking at it. We can have her on the front cover next time. So this is the rose maxi dress, maxi skirt, which comes in the black as well. Girls, we haven't steamed this one, but great little skirt. One of our most popular styles for that bird label. Again, exclusive to Birds Nest.
Yes, absolutely. It's got pockets, it's got a little side zip here, and it's actually got elastic along the back, so it'll move with you and it's really, really super comfortable. So absolutely love it. I've got it with the boho top. It's long sleeve. Again, I think we're all in the same boat. We all love to just ruche up the sleeves a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah,
It is
absolutely.
hot in here though as well.
I do feel a little warm.
The great thing about this top, girls, is it's not too high. Like it is a bit of a turtleneck, but not, you know, if you get a bit hot and get a bit of that, you know, energy surge like I'm getting, this neckline is perfect for you. It's not too high. So, and I think it comes in a few other colours.
It does, yeah, it does. And I have to say I was able to get it over my head without getting makeup on it, which is very exciting.
Excellent. Very good.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Steph.
Bye, see you later.
So, girls, you will see all of these items in the mini mag, and hopefully you have found something fun in the autumn mini mag, and we will see you again in a couple of weeks for another live. Bye.